All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. You have a little bit of rash right there, some here and there. You have some here on that lower section. Got the black lug nuts, those look good. Overall, that wheel looks really nice. A couple small rock chips. Got a little scuff right there. That looks nice. A little spot here. You do have the fading on that plastic, and then you're going to see it here as well. Very common. Typical rock impacts on the side mirror. A little scuff here. Overall, that looks nice. That trim looks really good. A couple small scuffs. Lower section looks good. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A couple small markings here. The rest of that looks good. Got the gloss black roof. You're gonna have that kind of light delamination, if that's what it's called, or a little sun fading on the lens. Typical rock chips. You're gonna have some throughout the front. Then here on the hood, got a rock chip there, a couple spots. A few there, but otherwise looks really good. Here on this wheel, you have very minor rash right there, and everything else so looks good. Lower section looks nice. Overall, the fender's clean. Got the fading here on that trim, very common. You do have some chips down there. You have some scratches here, a couple markings. Couple small markings there. And then looking at this wheel, it looks like it had some previous curb rash where it was repaired. So you're gonna see kind of the haziness here. See how it's shiny and then a little hazy. So they kind of sanded it all down, made it nice and smooth. A little marking right here. That lens looks good, small chip. Couple small chips here and there. That lens looks nice. Got a chip there. A couple other small markings, but overall very nice. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You do have some markings on the leather here and some scratches there. The rest of that looks good. All-weather mats. Here on the seat, a couple markings here, but otherwise that bottom looks good. And we do have some scratches there. All of that looks nice. That screen looks good. Wood grain's clean. A couple small markings there. Otherwise in great condition. Here on the front right door panel, that upper section looks good. Got the memory seating. A couple small markings here, but otherwise in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. Here in the seats. Those look really nice. Love the color of the interior. All of that looks good. Small dent here and there on that metal. That looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. We do have a small crack right there. Panoramic roof, full Alcantara headliner. And here on the side trim, looks amazing. Here on the back right door panel, that looks awesome. That trim looks good. These seats are really, really nice. Got a little scuff here, otherwise in great condition. Here in the cargo area, you got a small stain there. Got the all-weather mats. All that carpet looks really nice. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 56,760 miles. All the flickering you see here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Love this interior color. Got the heads-up display there. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Suspension feels amazing. And you do have the ride height control here, so you can raise and lower it. Very smooth. Takes that bump perfect. I'm gonna hit the brakes here kind of hard. Brakes feel solid. No complaints there. Has an amazing turning radius. No complaints. And then looking at the engine bay, it's nice and clean. Looks good.